What's going on, y'all? What's going on? There's a couple setups I'm looking at right now. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know if y'all can hear me good. Shout out those that hopped in immediately and liked the live. Shout out to y'all. I see y'all. I see y'all. So I dropped the Sunday chart now, so you haven't checked that out yet. Make sure to check that out after the live. First link in the description. Or watching for a possible live setup right here. I like it. And then also possible GN buy, right? So we want to listen to Sunday chart analysis. GJ just broke this level. So we're looking to see if it can hold this level. So if we can stay above 190, we can look for buys going to 190.55 and then possibly 191.20. That's what we're looking for today. Like always, you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. Those joining the stream, we haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas as of now. We haven't entered anything yet. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Gold's kind of just been chilling here all Tokyo session. So if it can continue to hold 2148 as resistance, we can look for sales going down to 2130. Again, we see it was kind of just chilling here. Now it's doing a retest. So again, we're just going to watch and let it do its thing. Not any rush at all to take any positions. I'm definitely like how GJ and GN are looking as well. Those are the main two I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm looking at these are looking right here. New 5 minute just popped up. Trade futures. Yeah, I'm going to be getting into them for sure soon. I dropped the video earlier, because all the stuff going on in the US with the futures broker I'm going to be using. They also got a prop firm that's it's regulated, I believe, that I'm going to be looking into. I got a few students that use it, but yeah, I'm definitely going to be getting into futures soon. But if you got any charts when we look at futures wise, we can pull them up as well. Yeah, that's the one I was talking about. Okay. I was talking about tossed up. I know add you to the list. I know a couple other members besides you that use them, so I'm gonna look into that as well. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be getting into futures a lot more. I'm not gonna stray away from forex because again, there are U.S. regular brokers. Yeah, I like trading forex in general, so I'm not going to stray away from forex, but I'm definitely gonna get into futures a lot more as well. Yeah, so don't wait, hold your breath, but don't be surprised if I don't know when, but if you start seeing me look at futures and stuff, I'm still kind of figure out how I'm gonna do it as far as signals and stuff like that. I might just add into the chart analysis. I don't know if I might make a separate group or go that far or not. But yeah, futures is definitely going to be the arsenal. We're waiting for this next 15, y'all. We're looking at a possible GJ buy and looking at a possible GN buy. Gold's still doing his thing, so we're just gonna let Gold do his thing right now. Make sure to hit that first link in the description on the free signal for your Telegram. I dropped the Sunday chart analysis last night. Well, a few hours ago. It was last night for me. So make sure to check that out. The playlists are updated as well. And then, like I said, I separated. Well, it's not separate; it's still in the other playlist, but I made a whole separate playlist for the news videos. I'm going to be making some more news videos in the future as well. Got some more videos planned out for y'all this week also, so be on the lookout for that. And if y'all don't got the bell on, let alone subbed, go ahead and do so. Let's see what this next 15 looks like. You guys got any questions up in the chat? We're looking at charts up in the chat. The 15 just popped up. Is that what it's called, Chase? Just YMM? Or is there another name it goes by? If that's what it's called, we can take a look at that. Just let me know. So I'm looking how GJ's looking. I'm kind of waiting for. I kind of want to take GN over GJ, but that doesn't mean GJ is not valid. Kind of waiting for GN to see if we can break this peak right here. GJ's still valid though. I like both. As far as news today, let's go ahead and double check because I forgot. We got JPY news. We don't know exactly what time it's popping off. That's probably why I was talking about that. But we don't know exactly what time that's popping off. And then we got Australian news later on, but that's not until March open later on tonight. Yeah, so I really want to be watching GN over the GJ. I can still see GJ pushing up, but I don't like really trading. I don't know when the news is going to pop off. I still like to be prepared for that. So I'm going to be switching to watch GN. Still watching gold, but it's just doing this thing. If it breaks back and pushes past this level, I have an alert that's going to let me know. So I'm not too concerned about that. Let's see what indices are looking like. Some retracements. Yeah, I'm gonna let them be. I need to fix these alerts. These alerts all over the place. I fix these things. There we go. Yeah, I'm liking how GN's looking right here. I was just muted. I just saw that. So I'll do that again in like a couple of minutes. I have myself muted. I just looked to the side, like, damn, I was muted the whole time. But yeah, but y'all could read that, but I'll reiterate that later on. The live just started, but you know, we're just chilling right now. We got GJ and GN retesting the levels, trying to figure their lives out. Gold rejected, so we're just gonna let it. We're just gonna let it be. We ain't got confirmations, so we're just gonna let it do its thing because price is gonna do its thing regardless. I'm not trying to force anything, just letting price do what it's going to do. And then after I see what price is doing, you know, that's when I make my decision whether, you know, I want to enter or leave it alone, go for a buy, go for a sell, whatever the case may be. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we look at your charts, drop them in the chat. Got a new 5-minute about to pop up. On Instagram and TikTok, tweet. I'll see at the bottom of the screen. _underscore. Make sure to check the content out on there as well. And y'all know how YouTube works. Make sure to explore the channel, look at the playlist, look at the video titles, all that good stuff. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we get any charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Yeah, I went over it after you confirmed that's what it was called. You didn't see that chart? I went over it earlier. I don't know if you hopped out. I went over it earlier, unless that was not what you was talking about. Well, that's why I said, is it just called YMM? He said that's what it was just called. And I looked it up on trading. It was only like 4 sources, so that's not what it was. How much is it worth? Because when I looked at it, it was like what, like we're like $7 and some change. Is that what you're talking about? Let me know if that's the one because it was. I went over that. We got a new 15 about to pop up. New 15 just popped up. Oh, I'll look it up again, but that's the only thing I saw. Unless is it on TradingView? I guess that should be the next question I ask. Okay, looks like gold might try to go for round two, so we might see some action pop up in a little bit. Look at how Gene is looking right here. Because I looked at YMM, and only like 4 sources popped up. They were all the same thing. These things trying to figure their lives out still. Well, GJ looked like it might try to do something now. So yeah, we're watching gold, we're watching GJ, and we're watching GN right now. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. I like how he's looking right here. You should just try YM. It's the mini Dow futures. All right, let me look that up. Let's check that out. Let's check that out. Mini Dow future. All right, I got it. All right, GN rejecting. Again, another example of why we wait for confirmations. Because we would have just entered because price broke that level, we would be in drawdown right now and potentially having our stop loss get hit. All right, so that's all. You always see me just wait for confirmations. You don't always ever, well, not always. You don't ever really see me enter immediately after price breaks a level. There's only a few conditions or a few reasons when I would do that, and this one wasn't one of them. But GJ is looking nice. I'm still waiting for gold. But yeah, I found YM, so give me 1 second. I got you. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts. Drop them in the chat. Again, it doesn't got to be Forex or indices. Why it teaches how you read all charts. It works on every single chart. All right, what we got here? What we got here? So YM is basically kind of in the similar situation or conditions as NAS, US30, and SPX. We was bullish, but we're potentially in reversal territory, right? We can see here we've been bullish all year. This was January, blah, blah, blah. And then we saw price make a higher high here, but then it rejected this level. So if price can continue to hold 39,170 as resistance, it could see a reversal going down to 38,850. But if it's a break past 38,850, start holding that as resistance, then we can see the downtrend come into play and hit 38,560. Right? I wouldn't really look for buys unless it breaks above like around. You look for short-term buys that breaks above 39,400, but it's going to need to break past 39,570 and hold that as support for the uptrend to continue. But that's what's YM. I keep. Am I the only one that be talking fast and combining all the words together? That's what YM's looking like right now. As far as these other charts, again, they're just kind of taking naps. But again, it's Monday. Not too much shocker there. Some Sundays we see some decent volume, but usually Mondays and Tuesdays be kind of slow. Things don't really, start moving smoothly till Wednesday. But we might see some action or volume pick up pre-New York, if not New York session. You'll see these charts just trilling around right now. Yeah, price has literally just been sleeping here since the live started. Those just joining the stream. We haven't entered anything yet. These just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link, description on the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Dropped the Sunday chart analysis last night for y'all. But yeah, we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. It's still holding as low as support, which is a good sign. But it's also just kind of chilling here. We got a new 15 and 5 minute about to pop up in a little bit. Let's see what that looks like. Game plan still hasn't changed though. Make sure I like that live. Shout out to everybody in the live. Those weeks still kind of slow, but it's just the realistic side of trading. It's not gonna be always action packed, even though last Monday we started off with some action. You know, again, every week's kind of different, similar but different at the same time. While we're chilling, let's go ahead and see what these other charts are looking like. It would be hilarious if I missed a setup at these, but I'm pretty sure we didn't. Yeah, all these charts doing the same stuff. Nothing's really changed. Yeah, everything's doing the same stuff. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we get any charts, drop in the chat. Let me see this. Okay, yeah, that started an hour ago. Okay. Right now, since price ain't doing anything, I'm just looking at the other charts to see what's going on. Yeah, everything's really just retracing, doing retest. We're just gonna put it back on these main three right here. New 15 just popped up. Yeah, so again, right now we're just waiting for price to meet our confirmations. Not really concerned with what it's doing in between. I'm just waiting to see how it's going to react to either this level or this level, right? Because these are the two levels it's going to hit. It's either going to hit this level and break it, or it's going to hit and reject this level. Again, price can only do one of two things, either go up or go down. So what you need to figure out as a trader is what price is going to do. Is it going to go up or go down? And then two, what is the best choice for you to make, whether it's a buy or sell? With day trade, is a little bit different. Longer term investments, it's a little bit different. But since we're day trading, we're just going to keep it with day trading, right? So then you need to make the decision whether you want to enter a buy or sell. And then from there, you need to determine where you want to enter a buy or sell at. And then after that, you have to wait for price to either meet your confirmations or not, right? You know what I'm saying? We saw price break this level, wait to see if it could hold, didn't hold, so we're just going to leave it alone. But once price breaks this level and holds, we're going to enter. If it doesn't break this level and hold, we're still not going to enter. Then we're going to wait to see how it's going to react to this level, or we're going to wait to see if it's going to be able to break back above and keep pushing. You know what I'm saying? Just like right here. Price needed to hold this level of support. We're struggling to do so, but we didn't go for sells. Why? Because we were still bullish at the time. And then guess what? Once price was able to hold that level of support, then it took off. So we kind of see the same thing happening right here. Then we got GJ just still kind of chilling right here. So that's why we're not entering either. And of course, gold rejected that level. We saw that happen during the live. So again, we're not going to go for a sell if price isn't holding level as resistance. It doesn't make any sense. Snap. We might see price go for round 2 on GN and GJ. We ain't gonna speak too soon though. We still gotta wait and see. That's what it's looking like. What level are we waiting for gold to break and hold our resistance? I got you, but just to let y'all know, all the stuff we're looking at, just in case y'all join the live later, y'all forget, literally everything we're looking for, I went over in the Sunday chart analysis. Just like last week's Sunday chart analysis, all the trades we took the entire week, I went over in the Sunday chart analysis as well as daily and the London session live streams. And if you're a member, of course, daily in the New York price watch list as well. Well, twice a day, I guess. We include the London session live. But the level we're looking for is if it can hold 2148 as resistance. If it can hold 2148 as resistance and break through this right 2145, we can see sales go down to 2130. If it can hold it as resistance, that's what we're looking at right now. Also looking at possible GJ and GN buys. New 5-minute just popped up. You guys got any questions up in the chat? Want to get charged up in the chat? Know that joined the stream just now. We're basically looking for possible GJ and GN buys. We're just waiting for our confirmations. As you can see, we started live at 3 a.m. This was the 3 o'clock candlestick right here, this green one. This is the candlestick we're currently on. We're on a 15-minute time frame, so we clearly see from the entire past hour, price has not really moved. It's literally right where we left off or right where we started. And then GN, kind of the same thing. This was the 3 o'clock candlestick right here. Rejected this level, came back, rejected it. So again, nothing really happened. And then gold, on the other hand, was looking at a possible sell. As you can see, it failed to hold the lowest resistance. So we're not going to go for a sell if price isn't showing signs that it's ready or going to continue at the time to continue to push down. So we didn't take any positions as far as this live is concerned. So going to be on the charts. Go see what takes place this next hour going into pre-New York and New York session itself. Make sure to check out the content on the channel. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm working on some videos. I'm going to be dropping later on this week on there as well. But yeah, like I said, Mondays and Tuesdays are usually the slower days. Not too shocking or surprising. But again, last Monday was a little bit more productive. Or let me not say productive, a little bit more action-packed compared to this one. But nothing we can really do about that. Members, in a few hours, you already know I'm gonna drop that New York price watch list for y'all. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Like I said, make sure to check out the updated playlist. Got some videos dropped for you later on this week on here. Not sure if I'm gonna drop one today. Maybe it's gonna be tomorrow. I got a lot of stuff in the works. Even outside of YouTube and content-wise, I got a lot of stuff I'm working on. So be on the lookout for the announcements. Got a lot of stuff in the works, more details, once the stuff's finalized, almost finalized. But yeah, we're going to be back at the same time tomorrow, London session, 3 a.m. EST.